Up bright and early. A little bit windy out there. My rods. There we go. Now we ready. Who wants to put it in the cover? Got one. We actually got one. Hey, that's 2 bites on that buzz. They're liking the buzz bait. Oh, I got one now. I got a teeny tiny. I got a teeny one. Here we go on a popper. Look at that. That's what we came for. That's what we came for. Yep, I think we're gonna fish that tournament. Number 1. Oh, another one. They're tinies. I got tiny. Check that out. Found the school. No, that's no bluegill. That's a future 10-pounder. Man. Whacking them now. It's every cast. Oh. Oh my goodness. Check it out. That's what I gotta let that one swim around a little bit. I gotta let that swim around. You never know. Oh, he came off of there. Like the bigger size splash hit. Oh, oh yeah. They are just every cast. It's every cast. Doesn't get any better than that. Oh. Ooh, I had one right. Ooh. Is he on? Oh, I got him. Is that better? Is it? I don't know. I don't know, but the boils look nice. I think he's 12 inches. Wait a second now. Keep. Ooh, he's fat. He's fat. Jeez. That thing's got a belly. Look at that. That one might keep, but I doubt it. Ooh, another one. Dude, I am just on him right now. Are you kidding me? Ooh, doubled up. That's what we're talking about. Have we caught a keeper yet, though?
No, that wasn't a keeper.
Golly, this is...
Oh, yeah.
Let's go home.
I need to go anywhere else.
We found him. Let's go home. Hydrilla is the... It's the aquarium grass. Got him. Chatter, first keeper of the day. Yes, sir. First keep of the day on the chatterbait. The old jackhammer, 15-pound P-line tactical. Jackhammer in the boat. We're getting close to the opening, the striper spot. Oh, came off. Oh my gosh, dude, I got a big one. Dude, that's a good one. I'm telling you right now, that one stopped it. Oh, I thought it was a lot bigger, but he's a good one. It is a good one though. Let's get him. Let's get him then. Dude, he's all jacked up with, oh, there we go. Now he's hooked right. That one just stopped that chatterbait. Man, that was pretty cool. Ooh, we got doubles. Is it really? Yeah, we just talked about that. Look at that. That one attacked that. 3-pounder. 3-pounder. Right by that tule. But you'd think a little bit of wind. Chatterbait. Yeah, we're right on the edge. I got one. A tiny, but he's a fish. Oh, came off. Doesn't catch fish. Oh, that's a bass. That's no striper. Black bass, got it. Back in action. Choked it. This is where they're gonna be. Dude, I got one too. Oh yeah. Dude, I got a decent one again on the jackhammer again. Another nice one. Yeah. Putting in the work on the chatterbait. The chatterbait, dude. We're winning. Should. Should be one somewhere around here. Oh. Should be one somewhere around here. Oh, woo! Fall. And then when I went to lift up, he was just like that. So it's probably a tiny one. We got ourselves
Got a punch fish.
a punch fish. Get out of there.
They exist.
Come out of there. Well, that's 2 bites in a row right there. How about that? There we go.
I just bought him the Gantrell Junior.
Uh-huh.
Start going around. That thing looks so good. Dude.
Does it? The
It
junior?
looks better than the regular Gantrell. Oh,
We got one on the punch rig. How about that, Dominic? You're next. You're next.
I don't know. It just makes this little cove pocket, maybe. I don't know.
Dominic, you are gonna catch one right here. Come on.
Yeah, if I do.
You are. Oh. There he is. Did you see him in there? That was pretty cool.
see him get
That
pulled
was
up?
cool, yeah.
Whoa,
That was, that was cool.
Go right
You can see him down there, like coming up from the bottom. Haha.
I punched you.
Or bluegill.
Yeah, bluegill.
Fire,
Oh, I just had another one. Oh, he's still on there. Ooh, he actually wants it. Look at that. He let it go. That's what I'm saying. They can't even. Oh, he's on there. I got him.
Should be a big one.
I think he's on there still,
probably can.
honestly. Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude, the small-
Son, that thing ate the punch. Big old jig. If you don't think a small one will eat a jig, you're wrong. I'm surprised that.
Slimy. Looks like.
Yeah, they are. It's because there's no current or anything through here. Anytime you get in an area where there's not much current. Oh,
Oh,
actually got one, dude. And it is a,
was it on a pause?
and it is a, at least a little, no. It's not, it's, well, there he goes. This is like the perfect lane. If I came, this is where I'd go if I was going to be pleasure boating around. I would come over here. Like,
Yeah,
really?
like driving around in the cedar. I'm like, in my head, I got like a landmark I'm looking for.
Yeah. It's wrong.
I'm like, okay, I've definitely had to. Check your phone. Nope, no signal still. All right.
I know, that's the pain though, right? No signal. You try to look where you're at, no signal.
Buying the bass boat, like the full size.
Got one already.
You got one?
Yeah,
oh,
dude.
Yeah. And a fatty.
And a keeper.
Yeah,
A keeper. How about that? There are fish in here. It didn't take long.
Not a huge man.
And Dominic, you punched right in there too. You almost got that one. You almost got that one right there. Easily could have been your fish. Could be one there, maybe. Here. Just all these little clumps. Oh. Another one. Yep, they're in here.
Okay.
Teeny tine, huh?
Yeah, it's almost the size of the burger.
Almost.
Yeah, it's almost as a
It's
fat.
good.
Huh?
But, yeah.
Could have been a spawner.
Yeah, I'm like, is this a spawner? They're all fat, baby.
Oh. Another one. You don't even really have to set the hook, which
They're
is
all
nice.
yeah, they're all hunkering down in that.
Yeah, little though. Look at this thing. Look how small he is though. I mean, uh-oh.
Oh, that's a better one, dude.
Is it? I saw that one swimming around underneath the mat with my bait in his mouth, dude. Because I was like, is that a fish? That's what happens when you're just hot and not ready.
You're like,
That's a hot mess fish right there. That's a hot mess.
lucky you made it in the boat, buddy.
Hope you guys had a good time watching this video. I catch one more fish here on a chatterbait. But we really had a tough day. We caught a few decent ones on a chatterbait. Tried punching. You saw I caught a bunch of small ones punching. I had a few small ones on top water. But I'm going to get back out there next week and try to expand on the chatterbait bite. So I'll be uploading another video soon. Probably a lot of chatterbait fishing and just see what we can do. But enjoy this last catch. Oh, dude.
Oh, better one.
Better one, dude.
Dude, nice one.
How about that? How about them apples?
go.
How
Out
about
here.
them apples?
He bit that out here.
He's nasty. He's a nasty guy. He is nasty all from head to toe. He's nasty. I don't want to touch him.
That's okay. Yeah, he is.
That's the first love you've gotten in a while, sir.